Astronomers have found that the asteroid Bennu is gradually spinning faster over time. Observations show that instead of gradually slowing down over time, Bennu's rotation rate is increasing by about a second every century. The findings, reported in the journal Geophysical Research Letters, will help astronomers better understand the evolution of asteroids and the forces influencing them. This will allow scientists to provide a more comprehensive understanding of the dangers asteroids pose to life on Earth, as well as their potential as targets for mining. NASA's Origin, Spectral Interpretation, Resources Identification, Security Regolith Explorer, or OSIRIS-REx spacecraft arrived at Bennu in late 2018 on a multi-year sample return mission. The half-kilometre-wide asteroid's located 110 million kilometres away from Earth. And OSIRIS-REx is slated to bring a sample of Bennu back to Earth in 2023. As it moves through space at some 101,000 kilometres per hour, Bennu also spins, completing a full rotation every 4.3 hours. The asteroid's increase in rotation rate by around a second every 100 years might not seem like much, but over a long period of time that can translate into dramatic changes in the space rock. The study's lead author, Mike Nolan from the University of Arizona in Tucson, says as the asteroid spins faster and faster over millions of years, it could lose pieces of itself, literally flinging them off. In fact, it could blow itself apart completely. In order to understand Bennu's rotation, scientists studied the asteroid data taken from Earth in 1999 and 2005, along with data taken by the Earth-orbiting space telescope Hubble in 2012. It was when they looked at the Hubble data, they noticed the rotational speed of the asteroid in 2012 no longer matched the predictions based on the earlier data. Nolan says the idea that the rotation of asteroids could speed up over time was first predicted around the year 2000. However, to date, this acceleration has only ever been detected on just a handful of asteroids. The change in Bennu's rotation could be due to a change in its shape. In other words, bits have been flung off. Just like spinning ice skaters speed up as they pull their arms in, an asteroid can speed up as it loses material. However, Nolan and his co-authors suggest the reason for the increase in Bennu's rotation is far more likely to be due to a phenomenon known as the Yorp effect. It works like this. Sunlight hitting the asteroid is reflected back into space. The change in the direction of the light coming in and going out pushes on the asteroid and can cause it to spin either faster or slower depending on the shape and rotation. OSIRIS-REx will determine Bennu's rotation rate independently this year, and that will help scientists nail down the reason for the increase in rotation. 1955 Bennu is a carbonaceous asteroid in the Apollo group discovered by the LINA project back on September 11th, 1999. It's a potentially hazardous near-Earth asteroid. It has the second highest rating on the Palermo Technical Impact Hazard Scale, with a 1 in 2,700 chance of impacting the Earth sometime between 2175 and 2199. The asteroid's named Bennu after an ancient Egyptian mythical bird associated with the sun, creation and rebirth.